Hey there, it's Sarah with Wise Agent. We're so excited to announce that our property flyers tool got a huge update. Now you can quickly and effortlessly create beautiful marketing flyers for your listings right within your CRM. Let's check it out. In your Wise Agent account, you'll find the property flyer tool under the marketing dropdown. This page is where you'll find all of our flyer templates. But before selecting a template, you'll want to select your property from this dropdown menu. You can see here how many images are attached to each property, and if your property is not yet on this list, you can add it by clicking Add a New Property here. Once your property is on this list, you'll select the property, and then you can come down here and choose your flyer. As you scroll down, the number of photos that can be put into the flyers will increase. Here we have 3 photos, all the way down to 4. Once you find a template that you would like to use, simply click on it, and then scroll down and hit the Next button on the bottom right. Now on the Select Photos page, you'll see all of the photos that you have attached to the property. On the right-hand side, you'll see the order of the photos as they appear in the property. You can click and drag them to change the order in which they appear, and you can use this red trash can icon to delete them. If you'd like to add more photos, simply choose this Upload button and select the photos that you would like to add to your property flyer. Once they're uploaded, you'll be able to choose them here, and you'll see them appear here. Once you're happy with the order of the photos, you can go ahead and hit the Next button. Next, you'll be taken to the flyer information page. The property details will be automatically pulled into the flyer from the information provided on your property list. You can change the color scheme of your flyer by clicking on the colors here, and you can see them all spread out here in this color swatch. You can further edit the details that will appear on your flyer in these fields. Once you have perfected your flyer text, hit the Next button once more. Next is the agent information page. All of the information will be pulled in depending on what team member you select from this dropdown. You can edit any of this information, and once you're happy with how everything looks, you can hit the Next button. Now on the Finalized Flyer page, you can preview your flyer, and if you would like to make any changes, come back up to this progress bar and go back to where you'd like to make the changes. If I want to change the color, I can simply hit this, and when I hit my Next button, it will take me back to the preview. If I am happy with this flyer, I can go ahead and download my PDF now. Reach out to our support team if you need any help creating your flyers. We're here for you 24/7 through the Contact Us button in your account. Thanks for watching and have a great day.